Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Gulf Bank account. Gulf Bank is a financial institution that has become one of the leading bank. To log into Gulf Bank account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.gulfbank.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Gulf Bank. Now, here you can see login option on the top. Click on login option. Then you can see a login box. Now to log in, you need to first enter your username on the given box. After this, you need to enter the correct password of your Gulf Bank account. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password option. After entering all your credentials, click on Log In. With this, now you'll be able to log into your Gulf Bank account. This is how we can log in Gulf Bank account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.